Good evening to all. Here we shall be talking about the intermediaries of trade. We'll look at retailing. When we say retailing is the act of buying goods in small quantities from the wholesaler for resale to consumers. Who does this? A person who buys these goods is called a retailer from the manufacturer. So we're going to look at who is a retailer. Retail trade is the act. Retail trade is the process of buying goods in large quantities from the wholesaler for resale. A retailer is a person who buys goods in large quantities or in small quantities from the wholesaler and sell to the final consumers in units or in bit. We should understand here, my dear students, that retail trade, for easy understanding, is divided into two sections where we have the small scale retailers and we have the large scale retail organizations. Small scale retailers, when we talk of small scale retailers, we say these are retailers with small capital and their scope of operation is not very wide. Or we say their scope of operation is equally very wide, small. We have types of small scale retailers like itinerant retailers. Who are itinerant retailers? Itinerant retailers are those persons who carry their goods and move from one place to another in search of market or in search of customers. We should understand that itinerant retailers is in two categories. We have them, the hawkers and the peddlers. Hawkers are those persons who usually use trays, boxes, or baskets to carry their goods on head. They move on foot from one place to another. While peddlers are those ones specifically who are involved in the sales of what fanciful items. We have other types of small scale retailers like roadside traders. Roadside traders, we can still call them street sellers because they do street selling and they sell along the street. These are persons who concentrate along particular or in particular areas in busy streets and they attract a lot of passerbys. They can equally have a fast rate of turnover because once their goods are beautifully displayed, these passerbys can be motivated or attracted to buy those goods which they never planned for. So in this situation, we say it causes or it can push the consumers to do what we call unplanned buying, when the consumers can do impulse buying. We have other ones, we call them market traders. Market traders can also be referred to as what? Marketplace retailing. These are those retailers who carry their goods to the market on daily market basis. Daily market basis means that they only go to the market to sell only on market days. You cannot see them selling on days which markets do not operate. That is why we say they sell on daily market basis. We have another one called small retail shops. Small retail shops are the small shops that we have around